Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here. Today I wanted to do a little technical analysis video on Litecoin. After Bitcoin broke above $5,000, Litecoin got similar price action and had a nice bounce itself, right? So sort of a bit of a sympathy play here. And if we look on the past daily chart, Bitcoin took off, broke above 5,000, and Litecoin was sort of at its $50 support level and also bounced back to its resistance area. Okay, and it's probably not going to get the exact same price action as Bitcoin because there's a couple factor it plays, like the Bitcoin hard fork and stuff. But I'm going to go over everything with some technical analysis. I might as well throw in as well that if you haven't purchased cryptocurrencies yet, I believe Coinbase is the best place to do that. They have over 10 million customers. They're not a sponsor. I use these guys myself. They're really good. They're super legit. They're the main place to buy cryptocurrencies. Like I said, over 10 million users, almost 11 million, which is pretty crazy. And yeah, you can go check them out yourselves if you don't trust me. But like I said, these are the main place. This is the main place to go, and they're super legit. So if you're interested in buying from them, you can use my referral link in the description. You will get $10 free worth of Bitcoin with any purchase of over $100 worth of cryptocurrencies. So yeah, go check that out. Otherwise, moving on to our actual technical analysis now. So let me move over to sort of this chart over here, right, of Litecoin, and sort of go over some of the levels with you. Right now, so it had its bounce from its, right, like I said, about $50 support level up until the $60 level, about where it faced some resistance. And right now it's sort of having a slight pullback, which is nothing to worry about. Let me go over some of the uptrends and downtrends here. First of all, I'll mention that we are now officially back into an uptrend, which is great to see. We are also officially out of the downtrend. So we had our first main downtrend here that we exited, and then we got, so we broke out of that. And then this secondary downtrend over here that we were also able to break out of. And then finally we had our breakout of the shorter downtrend, which was right over here, right? And this is the one that we broke out of and had our breakout. So basically right now what's going on with Litecoin is it's holding on its current support level, which is about $57 right over here. And this is sort of the level in the short term that we want to see it hold above. Can it break below it? Yes, but honestly, it should just catch itself on this uptrend, so it's nothing really to worry about. Obviously, it would be good to see it sort of hold this level and not go too low, right? We want to see it hopefully above 55. But basically, if we look at what happened here on September 23rd, we actually have a very similar pattern going on, right? We had a little uptrend going, just like over here, exact same thing. And then we had our break out above a similar short-term downtrend. Let me draw that for you. The one that's right over, actually, just to make sure I'm talking about the shorter term one, it's the one right over here, right? Very similar breakout to what happened right over here. And if you look closely, and let me move over to this chart, we had our big green candlestick, exact same as here. Our Bollinger Bands expanding, same thing as here. We had our slight pullback, which is what we're experiencing right now as we speak. Then a couple days of basically some just flat consolidation, which we can expect to see here. And then it really just took off, right? It had a very explosive price action, and it went just in a couple days, right, from about $55, basically the low 50s, all the way to $98, right, at the peak of this. So this is a pretty amazing pattern, and it's the one that's forming right over here, exact same one. This is all confirmed with the the indicators over here, RSI, we broke out of the downtrend. We have our MACD that's now moving back up, which is great to see as well. We're still not overbought, notice that. We're still not in the overbought range, so we have room to go here. And, you know, like I said, I can see this moving above $100 within a month. Is it going to move above $100 within a month? Or it could move actually sooner. Sorry, that's what I wanted to say. It could move above $100 sooner. I don't want to be too optimistic, right? Because anything is possible. And obviously, you know, Bitcoin is getting a lot of the price action because of the hard fork. So people are pouring their money into that. But Litecoin just got a bit of a sympathy play. However, the sympathy play and the breakout that happened is sort of a hint and an indication that, you know, now we're out of this sort of range that we were in for a while, right? We're out of this consolidation and downtrend. And, you know, this basically confirms that Litecoin is now ready to move back up. And I think now we know that the second time it tests this high level of resistance, we're going to blow past that just like Bitcoin did with 5,000 and go above $100. So, you know, it could happen as quickly as it happened here, which is within a couple days, you know, within a week or so, 2 weeks. Or it could take a bit longer, you know, maybe after the Bitcoin hard fork and then the money comes back into Litecoin even more. But like I said, that doesn't really matter, right? Overall, the chart is looking good with the uptrends. And just to go over maybe some of the resistance level to pay attention to, right? We have some resistance at around 62. That shouldn't really be a problem if we break past 60 though. I would be paying attention more to 67. This is definitely going to be an area of high resistance. If we can break past that though, it'll be should be pretty easy to get into this about $80 range over here. And you know, if we can break past that, which is likely if we break past this $67 mark already, you know, this $90 to $100 area will be, I mean, it's basically in the bag, right? It shouldn't be an issue. It should be able to blow past that just like Bitcoin did with 5,000 with a lot of ease. So that's sort of what I'm expecting here. Like I said, LTC to 100 within about a month. And yeah, so pay attention. I think I was pretty clear in my analysis. If you don't trust my analysis, that's fine. You know, you can look at my Bitcoin price prediction. I actually predicted the move above 5,000. I'll have a link to that in the description. So, you know, I trust my opinion and my analysis videos. And but yeah, like I said, this is just my opinion. I'd be interested to hear yours. What do you think will happen with Litecoin in the upcoming weeks? But yeah, with that being said, everyone, I appreciate you watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.